Beautiful night, no clouds, nice breeze, sun going down. Great time to watch planes land and take off. Look at the sun off of the New York skyline. That's nice too in the background. Just passed by the Freedom Tower. Hope this guy takes a steep ascent. He's not gonna. We're gonna get obstructed by the hangar. Oh, there he is. He's peeking through. Nice orange sky in the background. He cleared the Teterboro landing monument too. That's nice. Beautiful breeze, like 72 degrees tonight. We're gonna pan back to the runway. We got a nice backup tonight. Got like 9 planes waiting to take off. Oh,